Hey guys, Spartan here for the daily day trading recap, March 25th, 2022. So what did we do today? A couple different things. Main day today was, it was a little bit choppy in the afternoon. We didn't do much. We waited to the end of the day. We played some SPY puts to the downside for about 50%. Then we played some SPY calls to the upside on the head fake to the downside for about 100 and change to the upside. Other than that, some of the trades that we did do today, you can go to my Twitter and take a look. I did put the whole list on there. Apple highlight 170 calls. We swung those for 1,000% and change. We had the 172.50s as well for 800%. Oxy 59s intraday for 567%. Coin 432% on the 185 puts. Square puts 369. Tilray 7 calls we had overnight for next week. Turn 86%. Baba 114%. Facebook, Apple, ACB, you can see all the rest of those trades there. A couple 100%ers, 200%ers, and then obviously that list goes on. And there was a couple trades that didn't work. BMY, Fucho, Lulu, Tesla. Overall, pretty good day. Main trading was done in the morning. We were leaning bullish out the gate. We traded to the upside on a lot of different things. I was watching high PE tech today. Noticed that didn't start working, so we went after Square and Snow puts. And those ended up working out quite nicely for us. And then we grabbed coin puts, and we actually got coin puts, the 185s, right before this big yank here. It was such perfect timing. Grabbed it right on the bear flag and then looked back, and we had this huge pull. And while it was pulling, we rolled into those 180s. So that was one of the highlights. And then Oxy was probably the other highlight intraday, where we grabbed those 59 calls, looking for a push back towards the last day high. We're going after oil names because I noticed oil names were holding up when the market was pulling back after the morning move. They're rotating back into energy, and that's essentially why we went after that. 59s, rolled into 60s, both worked out nicely. All in all, solid day, solid lotto Friday. We'll see what happens next week. Market in general, guys, is set up for continuation on the daily chart. Nothing, looks bad about that. Holding EMA support, gaps are filled. Looks good there. Big level is 454. That's the head and shoulders on the daily chart on the SPY. And the Qs and IWM also look set up. I think one thing to watch going into next week is probably high PE tech and growth names. See how they act going forward, if they hold up with what's going on with the Fed, etc., and inflation. If they do, then I think they can get continuation moves. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your weekend. If you have any questions, you can reach out, SpartanTrading.com. We do stream from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day, Eastern, straight. I'm on the mic and screen share for most of the day, and the mods do pop in as well, which is awesome. And yeah, great group, guys. If you want to come trade with us, SpartanTrading.com. One thing you can look at is the last 2 weeks. The amount of 1,000%ers we get, I don't think anyone can match. I think we've had at least 25 to 30,000%ers in the last 2 weeks. We had 11 last Friday alone, so it does say a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one, and have a great weekend.